So one day a banana seller asked Gajapati Kulapati, "Do you want some bananas?" Gajapati Kulapati opened his mouth and said, "Achoo!" The banana seller fell into the ground and all his bananas fell into the postman's head. Pachak! Pachak! And the postman fell to a cow. Dhadam! And the cow ran faster as he could. Allah! And now everyone had knew about Gajapati Kulapati's code. Like the milkman said to the fruit seller, the fruit seller said to the bookseller, the bookseller said to the tailor. Now everyone had knew about Gajapati Kulapati's code. So the villagers had got an idea to hold a meeting in the village. And after meeting they had got an idea to build a house for Gajapati Kulapati. So after building a house for Gajapati Kulapati, they had